Unboxing my Shopee order and guess the color of my item. Studio vlog. Juve Myers. Hi, let's unbox my Shopee order. But first, make sure to remove the details from the waybill. By doing this, you can protect your personal details. After spraying with alcohol, I sprayed or scratched the waybill. Once it's done, now let's open it. I bought mouse for my desktop. And here's what it looks like. I ordered pink mouse. I'm not really a fan of pink color. But this one is so amazing. Especially the light effects, when you turn it on. You see, it's so beautiful, that's why I love it. For only 299 pesos. Worth the price. That's all for today, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, now this is the time for you to click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button. And also don't forget to leave a comment and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Goodbye.